Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Newcastle County and northern Delaware, Cecil County and northeast Maryland, Kent County and northeast Maryland, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:24 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from north of Baltimore to Lancaster County in Pennsylvania. The storms were moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Rising Sunshine around 10:35 p.m., Zion and Woodlawn around 10:40 p.m., Pleasant Hill and Glen Westover around 10:45 p.m., Newark and Northeast around 10:50 p.m., Betterton and Newtown around 10:55 p.m., Caste and Bear around 11 p.m. This line of severe thunderstorms has a history of producing wind damage. Do not stay outdoors. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm